Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change font to Times New Roman 12 point in Word or Microsoft Word, a mobile version. So here, if you have Microsoft Word mobile version, but you can try to update via Play Store first in order to fix some bugs. So let's try to search Word, and here Microsoft Word edit documents, Microsoft Corporation, you can update it. Let's update on November 18, 2024. So you can create a new copy of your document, convert PDFs to docs, write with confidence, format image and table easily, do more with Word on your phone, collaborate in real time, cross-device secure access. So let's open Microsoft Word on mobile version, but don't forget you have to create your Microsoft account first in order to enjoy all the features. So here you can tap on your document or you can create new document, and in order to change the font to a new or to Times New Roman, you can hold the text and you can edit the text. Here, as you can see, there is an arrow. You can tap it, and here Times New Roman. This is font that you can change. By default is Century Gothic, body and headings, and this is all the fonts that you can download to use it. And of course there is some font that you don't need to download, like Arial Black, Arial Narrow, and so on. And in order to change the size of your text, here there's a 12 and the minimum is 8 and the maximum is a 72. So here Times New Roman and 12 point. This is very easy to change it. For example, this one also, let's block it. Let's block the text, and you can tap on arrow and tap the fonts and try to search Times New Roman. Here we go. Tap it. You don't need to download because this is a default by the app. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Thank you for don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.